Welcome to Beadstar. I'm Natalia and I'd like to share another product review with you. Today I'll be showing you some components that will be the perfect addition to your jewellery stash. These beautiful flower pony beads. Now each bead measures 10 millimeters and they are acrylic and come in a pack of 50 beads. We have them available in transparent clear style and also in this glamorous red. And both colours have a special AB coating, so this gives them a beautiful iridescence. And the term AB in fact is short for Arora Borrealis, which is so called after the northern lights. It has a beautiful blue-yellow shimmery effect and it's similar to a soap bubble when it catches the light. Isn't that gorgeous? So I've made a few pieces using these beads to show you how they look when they're included in a jewellery design. So first of all we have this pair of earrings using the red, and I just got some Mayuki seed beads there, some 11O seed beads, and attached them to some little earring wires. And I hope you'll agree that they do look very pretty and very colourful. So then I've made some earrings using the little transparent clear ones and try and get the light effect for you. The play of light is really pretty, and you can see I've just literally just wire wrapped these, wire wrapped loop, and attached them to a fish hook earring wire, and they just do the job themselves, looking very elegant. And I have made a bracelet using a combination of the transparent and the red there, and I've just attached a little metallic clasp there. So I've put some wire wrap loops using eye pins, and so that is, I just pop that on my wrist. A really pretty looking bracelet. So the possibilities are endless for these little flowers. You can turn them into earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and even use them to embellish other craft projects, for decorations, for gifts and packaging, and they are really perfect for children's jewellery too. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these beads with me today. Do click on the links in the Show More section to go to our website and find out more about these, and also the wide range of jewellery components, storage and packaging we offer. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future product reviews and jewellery tutorials. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.